The hidden economy of robot armies, autonomous weapons monotony. Not just a boring concept. Robots, now the new face of war. But beyond that, there is an economic revolution, silent and dangerous. The world is shifting to an invisible battlefield. In this war, there are no soldiers, only control panels, software, and algorithms. Autonomous weapons are not just a show of military power. They also represent a multi-billion-dollar economy. Autonomous weapons, drones, AI-driven tanks, unmanned combat systems, each one an investment opportunity, each one a financial power. These systems don't just destroy enemies, they shape investors' portfolios as well. Defense companies profit from government contracts. New technologies transform traditional production lines. Every new model creates a new economic wave. Welcome to Finance Historian, stories behind money, markets, and empires. Subscribe, like, and leave a comment and share the video. Thank you. Drone production and autonomous systems change not only the battlefield, but also the flow of money. Stock values rise, venture capital funds hunt for opportunities. Technology and economy intertwine. And this silent revolution is shaping the fate of global finance. Economic definition of autonomous weapons. Autonomous weapons are systems capable of selecting targets and executing attacks without human intervention. Drones, AI-controlled tanks, sea and air systems, all among the most profitable segments of the defense industry. But their impact isn't just on the battlefield, they also influence the economy. From an economic perspective, these systems require massive capital investment. Research and development can reach billions of dollars. Software development, sensor technology, material durability, each is a separate cost. Production and maintenance are not just technological processes. They create an entirely new industry. Supply chains, logistics services, and ancillary industries, all part of the economic cycle. In global arms trade, autonomous systems are now a critical commodity. A single contract announcement can boost defense stocks. Investors closely monitor government spending on these systems. By 2025, the autonomous weapons market is expected to grow over 15% annually. The US, China, and Russia stand out as the largest investors and producers. Interestingly, these weapons affect not just battlefields, but also financial balance and global capital flows. These systems sit at the intersection of technology, defense, and money. War and money, the classic connection. War is intertwined with the economy. Every major conflict creates new financial opportunities. In World War II, tanks, planes, ships triggered mass production. Today, autonomous systems play the same role. Money fuels technology, technology earns money, and war accelerates this cycle. Companies producing drones earn billions through government contracts. Investors turn to autonomous systems. Defense stocks rise on the stock exchange. War now wins or loses, not just on the battlefield, but also on financial statements. Investors track not only military power, but also technological superiority. When a country develops a new autonomous system, markets react instantly. Defense company valuations rise. Investment funds take positions. The war economy creates an invisible financial battle. Governments make strategic moves between technology and money. Autonomous weapons target not just enemies, but financial markets too. And this is war's quietest yet most effective dimension. Robot armies and the global economy. Autonomous weapons impact not only national defense, but global financial markets. When a country develops a new autonomous combat system, investors see it not only as a technological achievement. For them, it signals increased security and power. Money flows shift, defense stocks rise, the market value of weapon-producing companies grows, and global markets react instantly to this news. In 2023, a drone manufacturer saw its stock rise 20% after just one contract announcement. This is not a typical tech surge. It's the monetization of war. Investors now account for combat capacity as well as products. Competition between nations directly impacts financial statements. Stock markets must keep pace with the speed of military technology. These systems create an invisible economy. Drones and autonomous tanks don't just fight, they also generate profit. And this profit is becoming the new center of global finance. The new face of war is now both physical and financial. And the world is in a silent economic conflict. Counterview, risk and control. It looks powerful, but its foundation is fragile. Autonomous weapons don't just generate profit. War risk, political uncertainty, create financial risk, a software error. A drone selecting the wrong target could cost billions. If a contract is canceled, stocks fall, investors lose. Insurance companies demand huge premiums to cover these systems. Maintenance errors, supply chain disruptions, all have economic consequences. No matter how advanced the technology, risk always exists. In a crisis, both battlefield and financial consequences can be catastrophic. Autonomous weapons create danger as well as profit. And economically, this is dramatic. Money, technology, and risk tightly interlinked. One mistake is not just a cost, it can trigger global financial turmoil. Research and development, the heart of investment. Producing autonomous weapons is far more expensive than traditional defense systems. AI algorithms, sensor systems, durable materials. Each component represents massive investment. Each component creates new economic opportunities. R&D doesn't just advance technology, it opens new profit channels for investors. The US, China, and Europe invest billions in this field. And these investments aren't limited to military use. They extend to civilian technology. Drone technology is applied to civil transportation. Autonomous vehicles, logistics systems, all results of this investment. The war economy shapes the civilian economy. Every new system creates waves in both warfare and finance. Technology, risk, and money, tightly linked. The heart of investment now beats in autonomous weapons. Arms trade and financial networks. Autonomous weapons are a new commodity in global arms trade. Export and import numbers, managed through secret deals. Stock markets and investors follow these deals closely. A single contract announcement directly affects a nation's defense stocks. Example, a drone export deal by Turkey could raise defense stocks 10% overnight. This may seem small, but for investors, it represents massive money movement. Not just governments, but private companies also participate. Defense firms, venture capital funds, and hedge funds all seek a share of this market. Social and political implications of Robot Army's economy is not just money. Military technology also affects political power. A country leading in autonomous systems gains diplomatic influence. Investors anticipate this. Economy and politics tightly linked. But the risk is high. A technological error can trigger a political crisis, and these crises immediately shake financial markets. Future scenarios. The new face of finance and war. The spread of autonomous weapons could reduce the cost of war, lower human casualties, but increased investment opportunities. Investors see these systems not just as defense, but as profit tools. Advanced nations compete for leadership in this field, and every new system reshapes the global economy. Forecasts. By 2030, the autonomous weapons market may exceed $250 billion. Defense companies' market value could approach trillions. Global financial markets will become dependent on war technology. Dramatic conclusion. Robot armies fight not just on battlefields, but also on financial statements. Money flows into technology. Technology generates profit. And war accelerates this cycle. It's dramatic, but true. Autonomous weapons are not just technology. They are the silent but powerful engine of the global economy. It appeared powerful, but its foundation was money and technology. And the real winner of this war is the economy. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment, and share it. You can turn on the notification bell to stay updated on new videos. See you in the next video.